Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to find LinkedIn URL for resume. So let's start this video. Open your LinkedIn application. Then click on your profile on the top left corner of the screen. Click on your profile again. Now click on this pencil icon in front of your profile picture. Scroll down. Now click on edit contact info. Here you have to click on your profile URL. A new page will open up, and over here in the edit your custom URL section, this is your personalized URL. You can just copy it like this and paste it into your resume. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.